In this lesson, we will learn the introduction to Python and its important features. This lesson covers only two CBSE topics, Introduction to Python and Features of Python. A computer needs clear instructions to solve a problem. A programming language helps us write those instructions in a form the computer can process. Python is a programming language. It allows us to write instructions called Python statements which tell the computer what task to perform. Here is a simple Python statement. Print welcome. The print command displays the text written inside the quotation marks. Python was created by Guido van Rossum while working at CWI in the Netherlands. Python was released in 1991. The name Python came from the BBC comedy series Monty Python. It was not named after the snake. Python is a problem-solving tool. First understand the problem, then write the steps in Python, run the program and check the result. Now we will study the main features of Python. Understanding the meaning of each feature is more important than simply memorizing the names. Python is a high-level language. This means it is closer to human language and easier to understand than machine-level instructions. Machine-level programming is close to hardware and difficult for beginners. Python uses readable words and helps us focus on the logic of the problem. Python is easy to read and write because its syntax is simple. Syntax means the rules used for writing program code. For example, marks equals 80 means the value 80 is stored in the variable called marks. The statement is simple to understand. Python is an interpreted language. An interpreter reads and executes Python code step by step. Because Python is interpreted, small pieces of code can be tested quickly. This also makes it easier to find errors while learning. Python is free and open source. Students can install and use Python without buying special software. Its source code is also available. Python is platform independent. The same Python program can run on different operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux when Python is installed. This means the code can remain the same even when the operating system changes. The Python interpreter helps the program run on each platform. Python is a general-purpose programming language. It can be used for many different types of programs and is not limited to one area. Python can be used for calculations, school programs, data work, and simple games. General purpose simply means that Python has many uses. Python supports procedural and object-oriented programming approaches. Procedural programming follows steps, while object-oriented programming organizes code using objects. In the procedural approach, instructions are written step by step. In the object-oriented approach, we think about objects, their data, and their actions. Python has large library support. A library is a collection of ready-made code that helps programmers perform common tasks more easily. Think of a Python library as a ready-made toolbox. Instead of creating everything from the beginning, programmers can use existing tools. Python can also be used interactively. You can type a line of code and immediately see the result, which is useful while learning. At the Python prompt, you can type 2 plus 3 and Python displays 5. The 3 greater than signs show that Python is ready for an instruction. Remember the main features: high level, easy syntax, interpreted, free, portable, general purpose, library support, and interactive use. In an exam answer, first write the feature name, then explain its meaning in one clear sentence. Add a simple example if required. Let us recap. Python is a programming language created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is high-level, interpreted, free, portable, easy to read, general purpose, and supported by many libraries. Thank you for watching. Revise each Python feature until you can explain its meaning clearly. Python becomes simple when you learn it one line at a time. Thank you for watching this video. For more computer science revision, visit www.tuitionharbour.com or email at hello@tuitionharbour.co.uk.